Hello everyone, myself Sandesh Godavi, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, SVC Bangalore. Uh, Today's subject is user interface design. Let me tell you about in this video management. First, introduction. We'll explore exploration of Windows management in user interface design. Critical aspects of that significantly influences the user experience. In this presentation, we'll delve into the principles and practices that contribute to effective Windows management, ultimately enhancing workflow and user satisfaction. We have to design a window such a way that it should be enhancing workflow. It should be easily used by the user, and it should be satisfied by the user. Windows layout, importance of consistency. A consistency layout across application windows portrays familiarity, enabling users to navigate with easy, and defining hierarchy clearly. uh, Delineating the hierarchy of windows helps user to understand the structure of the application, guiding them with various levels of importance or information. Next is navigation and control bars. Navigation bar is intuitive. Navigation bars or menu for facilitate seamless transitions between different windows, enhancing user efficiency. And Windows standard window controls. The inclusion of standard window controls minimize, maximize, restore, and close provides user with familiar and expected interaction points. Next, Windows status, enabling minimizing and maximizing and resizable windows. First one, enabling minimization and maximization, allowing users to minimize and maximize windows, provides flexibility in managing their workspace according to their needs. And in resizable windows, designing a resizable windows enables user to customize the size of the application according to the uh, accommodating various performance and screen size. Next, model and modeless dialogues. Use cases of our model design and benefits of modeless dialogues. Or first one, use case for model design. Um, Model design are suitable for critical interactions that requires user authentication and completion before returning to main application. And benefits of modeless dialogues are modeless dialogues on the other hand allows user to interact with the other windows while the dialog is open, providing a non-descriptive experience. Tab windows, implementing tab interface. Tab interface are an efficient solutions for applications which multiple documents or views, allowing user to switch between them effortlessly. Tab interface means, for example, you will be opening the web or some documents in your system. So the implementing tab interface means we can switch the documents or tabs. That option will be the tabbed windows. It will be in the windows, so it will be effortlessly you can switch to the next tab or next whatever the documents you will be doing multiple tasks, right? So that will be helpful for that. And tab management options are providing users with options to rearrange group or close tabs, enhance flexibility in managing multiple open documents or tasks. Next, Windows positioning. Consideration for default positions and remembering user performances. Now let us see consideration for default positioning. Um, Thoughtful consideration of default Windows position ensures optimized visibility of essential uh, content or controls. Next, remembering user performances, allowing the applications to remember user performances regarding Windows position and size personalized the user experiences. Drag and drop functionality, Windows reordering and content transfer. These two are the functions of drag and drop functionalities, and we'll see the first one, Windows reordering, enabling users to reorder windows through drag and drop functionality enhances the flexibility of the organizing their workspace. Means, so when you create a window, it should be easily reordered. It should be easily reordered whenever the drag and drop functionality enhanced, right? It will give flexibility to the user to work in this space. They feel little bit easier than other settings. So drag and drop is the best option for reordering and content transfer. Supporting drag and drop for the transferring content between different windows improves efficiency and user interactivity. So whenever, for example, you have to copy some content or some file to USB, or from USB to the some other to your system, or to the drive, so you can drag and drop the things. So that will help the users or user to interact more with the computer, and it will be efficiency also as usual. And next, taskbar integration. In that we have to uh, integrating with the taskbar and enhancing user convenience. So let us see first one, integrating with taskbar. Integrating with the uh, with the task operating system taskbar provides users with the quick access to the open window, streamlining navigation. So, uh, for example, you have to open a WhatsApp in your system. It will be in a taskbar, so you can open quickly to the quickly you can open. If it is not there on the taskbar, you have to search for the app in the search button or somewhere else. So interacting with the integrating with the taskbar, so it will be more helpful for the user to interact with that. And next, enhancing user convenience. uh, Taskbar integration enhances user convenience and accessible elegance familiarly system behind. Next, we'll see error handling, designing and minimizing. How error handling is done, designing error dialogues and minimizing disruptions. We'll see the first one, design error dialogues. Error or alert dialogue should be effectively communicating issue without disrupting the overall workflow, allowing user to address problem promptly. For example, you will be doing some work in laptop, and you will be doing some work at the back end. So whenever the error happens, right, it should not affect the whatever work you are doing the present. So it should alert the dialog. It should conveniently convey the message to the user so that this is the error without affecting the current work. Next, minimizing uh, description, minimizing uh, disruptions. Well designed error handling contributes to a smoother user experience descriptions caused by the unexpected issues. Accessibility. In that, let us see keyboard shortcuts and screen reader compatibility. Uh, we know that screen keyboard shortcuts inclusive design incorporates keyboard shortcuts for the user who performs or um, require keyboard navigation, enhancing accessibility. For example, let us take you are working in Word or somewhere else. In Excel sheet, there are so many shortcuts. So they have to design such a way that if you use shortcut keys, the user will also be freely accessible, and the work will be done more faster and it will be efficiency. Like we lose control and C for copy and control and V for paste and control and A for select all. So these are some shortcut keys in the keyboard. And next, screen reader compatibility, uh, ensuring compatibility with the screen readers uh, and others assistive technologies is essential for creating a universally accessible design. And next, we have come to the end of the video conclusion. Uh, in this, we'll see we know that effective Windows management is crucial for a user-friendly experience by providing consistent layout, intuitive controls, and options like tabbed interface. We enhance how user interact with the application. Thoughtful design, inclusive feature, and accessibility consideration ensures the managing multiple windows become seamless, optimizing the overall user workspace. Uh, this is how the Windows management will work, and it will be useful for the user. This is the once we have designed the Windows, right, it should be user friendly. The It should be effectively used by the user. It should not feel uncomfortable while using the Windows. So like that we have to design the Windows. And thank you.